Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to be making a traveler's notebook. So on the table I have here some things you'll need, and the idea is I'm creating a wallet that I can hold my passport for travel as well as some things I might want to carry. In this case it might be a notebook here. Of course a place to put your cards and your money as well. And just some extra space in case I want to add some receipts in here. Some of these items come from Traveler's Notebook themselves, and the leather as well as the cords I got from a local craft store. So one of the first things you want to do is to understand what size of notebook that you want. So in my case, it needs to be pretty thick. I have 4 items here that I want to include. So I want to start cutting this leather in the same size as this. That's the size I want. So I'll cut here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in. Okay, that's our footprint. So next, let's punch holes. I want to get holes in the top and the bottom and in the middle. Right, before I get too carried away, I did a little bit of work just to make sure that this is centered. Right now, let's punch a hole at the top and the bottom. All right, turns out get yourself a needle, make your life a little easier. So my plan is get a little piece of floss. See there? Put it around the needle. Now let's get this thing through. Easy peasy. And before I stab myself. Yeah! And there's the cord. So that'll be the mechanism for us to close our notebook. Now we need our way to bind it. So this is where these come in. Right, so it turns out if you don't want to have a big line going through on the outside of your notebook, you'll need to punch another hole, a set of 2. At the bottom, thread that through. I'll show you on the other side in a sec. Okay. Going through the bottom like so. Just like that. And now you have a little notch. And on this side, continue pulling this through. Add more feet if you need. And we're going to be going to the bottom of the upper section. Now, pulling this through. A little bit difficult. Pull that through. And now we need this to go on the topmost hole. Yeah, you can see through it a bit. Just punch it through like so. Don't get it caught up. And voila. Wow. I'm happy with the colors already. Look at that. Now we want to tie this off with this so that on the inside we'll have it just like that. And this will be where we're binding our books to. So make sure that is a good knot. You don't want to lose your passport or your money.